Hi. So we're going to the food truck, right? Food Truck Festival. Word. I knew we were gonna say that. Bless you. But yeah, we're going to the Food Truck Festival. Meet up with Jen, eat some food.
That's all I know. Bus. That's all I know. Subway. That's awesome.
So we're en route with her. Blazing hot, I'm sweating already. Ooh, all those food trucks already. I see see a food truck. I smell the food. Hello, hello guys. Hi, hi.
Ooh, this is cool.
I'm not gonna sit in that shit. That's hot. There we go. Yay! Oh, there we go. Damn. That's not a food cart.
Beautiful.
There's Jen. Hi, Jen. Oh, Go Burger. We Go Burger.
When you get that, I'm gonna go towards there to get lobster rolls. That's what I want.
Let's go.
What? You don't like kimchi? Taco.
We'll go to you first. Go
Huh?
You first.
No. Yours takes a longer
Really?
time.
Ooh, creme brulee, Thai flavor.
Yeah, creme brulee.
Oh. Hey, the souvlaki truck's here. I had that before. Masarap yan yung souvlaki.
Which one? Huh?
Hey, it's alright. The souvlaki grill.
I've never tried it.
Never did? That's good. Fishing shrimp. Takumi taco. Waffles is right there. Hello, Waffles Indigenous. Cool house. I don't know, always wanted to try that.
You should.
Yeah. But after dinner. After lunch.
After lunch. This one for the bacon. I wanted to get a candied bacon for my cousin's boyfriend.
Handsome Shanks. Oh, Shanks. Handsome Hank. Handsome Shank.
Mighty balls.
Shank. Mighty balls. That's what. Ooh, mini melts. Lobster rolls. Ooh, a lobster BLT. Look at that. Lobster BLT. Damn.
Do you eat pickles?
Yes.
Eat the pickle.
You don't like pickle? Yes.
What are you doing?
Lobster roll, that's awesome. Domo taco. Wow. And a truck. And a mini cart. Mexican. What do you think? Taiwanese lunchbox. E.J.A.X. Cute truck. Kimchi taco. Kimchi taco. Mashita. What is that, Junelle?
Chicken. Spicy chicken.
Mashita. What the fuck? I got Woolies shaved ice. You got what too? Yeah, what's that? Strawberry and mochi.
Yeah.
I got brownie bites and mochi. And mango.
Give you a lot.
What you got? You got it. What you got?
I got mango, double order of mochi.
I should have done that. Oh, snap. Snap hot dogs. Wah. Yummy. Good boss. I still have some.
My first time, it's so good.
Yeah, she finally got Waffles Indigenous with a smiley face. Marie.
Marie Smelly.
Marie smiley face. What's in it? What's in your waffle?
Nutella.
That's it? Boring. So that concludes the end of our food trip. And we got another one, because I'm a fat ass. We got one too. But she's a fat ass.
Indeed.
Yep, that one's over there.
But she's full.
Yeah. But she's still a fat ass.